Hello there, Jakson here. Welcome to the channel. Nice to have you as always. So there's something in this web creator world that I live in that gets my goat more than anything else, that makes me a very grumpy person, bit hard to live with if this happens. And that is when I have to take one of my beautifully crafted websites that I built for a client and stick it on their hosting, and that hosting turns out to be a load of crap. And my lovely, fast, snappy, high 90s scoring PageSpeed Insight website is now looking like a piece of crud. It gets my goat every time. Well, to be fair, it doesn't happen a lot of the time these days, because I do convince my clients that this is part of their online worth, is to have, reasonable hosting, specialist WordPress hosting, for all the right reasons. So the sort of hosting I normally talk about is between 30 and 40 bucks a month. And so for a small business, if I've done a really weeny site with just a few pages, it's a brochure, it's a brand, they're looking to get their first baby steps online, 300-400 bucks a year might seem a little steep, but over recent years, I haven't had to worry about that, because there is one host that offers the absolute best value for money, most pro-featured web hosting that is incomparable for value with literally every specialist WordPress host out there. And what if I told you could have the ultimate setup, the fastest websites for literally a little over 12 bucks a month? I'm not kidding. And it is fast. It is absolutely beltingly fast. And not only do you get this incredible hosting for that just over 12 bucks, you also get two features that you absolutely 100% need for a new business website. So remember, this video is not about, this is the best host, this is the only host for you. No, this video is about how to get pro, ultra fast, best in class and best in value hosting with the two features you must have as a business online. So let's get into it. It's the absolute best value hosting for WordPress ever. So no massive surprise, we are talking about Cloudways here, but remember, this is about the scenario of a small business website's needs, okay? Because I've got some massive Cloudways servers. This is not about that, but it's about getting that sort of performance for a small site for unbelievable budget. Don't get me wrong, I've got a couple of other hosts that I absolutely recommend 100%, but their entry level is $30 and $35. No options on email, no options on a few other things. And the sort of prices that some of my smaller clients might go, ooh, ouch, getting on for $400 a year or something. Anyway, let's have a look at what we got on offer here. Right, here we go. Here's our 11 quid. Fantastic. It's, it's proper cloud hosting this. You get 1 gig of RAM, a 1 vCPU, 25 gigs storage. By the way, well, I'll show you later, but you can actually go premium for another $3 and you get NVMe, even faster storage. But let's stick with this 11 buck stuff. You've got some free AI credits. I'm not going to get into that today, but when you sign up, you get that. Lightning Stack, well, this is essentially their new server config that somehow makes their existing incredibly fast hosting even faster, if that's possible. Unlimited visits, pretty standard, and unlimited websites. Now, remember what I said about those other two hosts that I recommend, but that start at 30, 35. You get one website with those guys. So this on its own is absolutely outstanding, because remember, if you just want to spin up a staging site or a muck around site, you can do that because it's only going to be you on it. Or if you've got another little tiny project, you can throw it on there as well. If you're talking, it's only going to get a few visitors a day, that sort of thing. You're not going to bring down the server by having extra websites on there. But bear in mind, this is not your ultimate server in the cloud. Keep an eye on your usage. But let's talk about those two other pro features that we need 100% if you want to run a successful modern small business website. Number one, you're going to need pro email. So that means you're going to have to go to Google or Outlook or a few other different providers, professional recognized email providers, so that you can absolutely be completely sure that your emails are being looked after and will get sent through the right DNS and all that sort of stuff. It's fairly complicated stuff, but you need a recognized dedicated email provider, 100%. And if we go and have a look at Cloudways option on this, look at this. Here's their add-ons page. And if we scroll down a little bit, Rackspace, this is what we're talking about, Rackspace email hosting. This is enterprise level email hosting, and it is $1 a month for a 25 gig box. Their own version of this is $10. I'm not quite sure how that works. $1 a month, fire and forget. It's unbelievably easy to set up. I'm not going to show you all that particularly today, but $1 a month, pro enterprise level email. Yes, please. Okay, so we're up to that $12 mark now, but there's one more thing you must 100% have for your professional website, and that is transactional email. Okay, TLDR, this is a third-party email service completely separate to your email, your email info app service, that sends emails on your behalf through their servers that are optimized and recognized by all the internet service providers around the globe, and your emails get through. This is hyper important these days. Let me show you what I mean. So they don't actually have it on the add-ons page, and you really should, Cloudways, get transactional email. It's so important. Get that. I'd be shouting loud and proud about that if I was you guys. There is some stuff on there, documentation and all that sort of stuff. But let me just switch over to another tab. This is one of my servers, and the transactional email provider they can give you as an add-on. And there it is, Elastic Email. And just a quick one, I said it's a touch over $12. It's because it's so cheap. Just have a look at this. So if we go to usage here, you'll see that for 1,000 emails, it's only 10 cents a month. Now, if you've got a small business website and maybe you've got a contact form, maybe you've got a lead magnet that requires a email address to be sent to something to the user, etc., etc., etc. Now, 1,000 emails, great. You've been doing quite well if you're getting 1,000 leads every month, and that's only costing you 10 cents. And if you're talking about, I've got, getting a bit of traffic now, 30 cents, 50 cents for 5,000. Look, and here's my, I'm on 25,000 emails for this, on this server, because my site's on this server, as well as a couple of others. And of course, I send out my email every week, weekly email. Yes, that one. And look, it cost me $2.30. And if just to put this into context, here's Elastic Email's own pricing, and you've got to start at $19 for that. It's half price basically. And these other guys, similar products, again, to get to 50,000, we're talking about $35. And the more you go up with the add-on, the more ridiculous it gets, the savings. I mean, look, I'll show you, look. 1 million emails, $57 a month. I mean, just for transactional emails, that is bonkers. There's another one by Brevo. Brevo's really great for free because you get, I think it's 300 emails a day. But, their starter, say I wanted to, again, 29. They do have a break at 5,000. Still £9 though, compared to 50 cents on the other one. So the other monster thing with this, so your site is sending out emails and we've got to configure the domain. And this is such a breeze with this interface from Cloudways, is that we just fire up our domain verification. You see these guys here. This is I need to do a video on this. These things here is what you need to basically get your emails through all the spam filters and verification filters that you need to get emails delivered. I'm going to make a video about it, I promise. And if we look at these verified domains, you can see that all of these are green, all the 4 requirements to absolutely guarantee your email gets through. And it's such a cinch to set up once you get your Elastic email API and a few other bits. You've got to do a bit of tweaking on your domain controller, but it's really a breeze, and I promise I will make a video about it. So that is the long and short of it with respect to those 3 things that are crucial for successful launch of small business website. You know, you've got your hosting, you've got your email, and you've got your transactional email. But the thing is, and this is not like a full on complete deep dive into all the features of Cloudways, but say you did want some other add-ons, and the one that is probably the most obvious is the Cloudflare CDN. If you don't know what a CDN is, it's a copy of your website that's spread all around the world, and so folks go to that copy website nearer to them than flying all the way from Australia around the interwebs to get a look at the server that's based in the UK for my site, as it were. But here's another quite ridiculous thing. You can get free Cloudflare, and a lot of people do that. They shouldn't, because it's supposed to be for personal sites and not brands. But if you've got a business, it's saying prices start at $4.99. And if you look at the actual prices, if you bought it directly from Cloudflare, look, it's $25 a month. It's a $20 saving. And the good thing about that would be that if you've got a low tier cloud hosting, the Cloudflare CDN copies don't really touch the server. So your internet traffic is down like on the main server in the most part. And so you're making savings there ongoing. It's kind of ridiculous. There's other add-ons which you can throw in there, but essentially we don't really need any of that. We just need our 11 quidder, our email, and our transactional email. Okay, shall we have a little look at how fast you can set this up? And remember, you don't need a credit card to test this, so I reckon fill your boots and give it a whirl if you've never used Cloudways. Let's go start free. So let's just open that in a incognito window because it knows who I am. Okay, agree and proceed. Let's get some info in there. And it is info. Get a password. What best describes me, I suppose? Freelance developer designer. My monthly hosting spend. Oof, you don't want to know. I don't know. It's not too bad. It used to be a lot more terrible. Okay, let me agree and sign up. Cool for school. Signing up. So remember, no credit card. I think you get 3 days. Let's go and get my verification code, which is that. Verify and continue. And we're in. We have got a playground on Cloudways. Great stuff. Okay, here we go. 3-day free trial. 3-day free trial to explore. Yes, please. Obviously, you can just jump into buying stuff there. Not yet. Let's go free trial. Oh, there's a bit of a wizard going on, but I think we're going to skip over that because I know how to do this. I've done it a few times. Right, we're going to go Lightning Stack. We're going to go DigitalOcean. We're going to go MariaDB. Fine. Basic. Let's get it onto our 1 gig standard. What I want to do is show you how fast this thing is. Nothing up my sleeves. Location. Where do we want to go? I reckon Frankfurt is the closest to me currently. And there you go. You see here, there's our price there. Obviously, we can change that with the slider and you see the price is changing. We've got it set. So this is for the 11-12 USD scenario. Okay, WordPress optimize, application name. Let's just give that Jack Demo. Your server name. Oh, yeah, my server. Project name. Demo this. Okay, and ready to launch? Let's launch it. Launching now. So this might take a few minutes. You know, it's building you a server, ladies and gentlemen, installing WordPress and doing all that kind of thing. So I won't bore you with a 7-minute wait for that, but I'll be right back when it's done. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Server is created, my server. We've got an application there. Yes, we have. Let's go and have a look at our application. In fact, there it is, but let's get into the admin and we are going to copy our username. We are going to get the admin open, get our username and password in there, get logged in. Let's just get that on our front end so we can have a look at this separately. Because I did promise you a speed test, did I not? But let's tidy things up just very slightly. So with the general config, you get a couple of plugins. One is the object cache, which is phenomenal. Would cost you about $100 a month for that if you went and paid for it separately. But it comes with all Cloudways hosting, even the $11 a month one. Let's just dismiss all of that stuff. So let's go to our settings and just give that a slightly nicer name. We'll save that, and back to our front end. Let's give that a refresh, although we will need to clear the cache. So plugins wise, we'll open that in a new tab. We've got that still for some reason. I don't know why, because it shouldn't be there. And Hello Dolly definitely should not be there. But we've got Breeze and Object Cache Pro. We get Cloudways built-in cache. So let's flush that cache, all of it, including the object cache and all that sort of stuff. Let's give that a refresh on the front end. There's our new site. Give that a hard refresh. Now, speed test 1, completely blank site. This is going to be fast regardless, right? Let's get PageSpeed insights up and give that an analysis. And you can see already it's 100 across the board. SEO is dropping off because it's not set to be a public website, so that's the main reason for that. And there's some little things like meta description fixed in a few seconds if you watch my SEO videos. So okay, you might be saying, well look, it's an empty page, of course it's going to be super fast, but I mean that's a good starting point, isn't it not? This is $11 a month hosting, folks. Okay, so let's have a look at those pages. Let's go to pages and go to our sample page, and we're just going to get rid of the content, all of it, all of that, and we will put in a pattern which will be starter content, and it will be that one. That's got lots of images, all that jazz. Let's get that in there, save that. Let's get onto another page where we can get to the purge. Let's get back to the front end. Okay, let's refresh that and go to our sample page. Or we might just want to change. I know it's a bit fussy, but let's just change the template to the one without a title. Save that. Back to our general settings so we can get to the Breeze again. Purge all. Everything has been purged. Back to our front end again. There's our page now. Another couple of hard refreshes so that that cache is definitely been cleared, all of it. Let's get into our, well, and also recached. Let's put our sample page in. Let's get analyzing on that, because this is kind of a real page, if you like now. You know, that's got images, it's got a bit of text. I mean, it's not huge, but let's have a look at our page speed now. And it is absolutely stonking for a real page, 96 performance. Now, I know how to get that to 100. I mean, the good thing about 2025 theme now is they're already WebP images, so that's a good thing. But there's a little few tweaks you can do that I would suggest get that 96 to 100. So this is what we're talking about, folks. Outstanding performance for a small business website for $11. Link is in the description to go and try out Cloudways for free. And if it floats your boat and you fancy getting a paid account, check out the coupon code in the description. Also, it will give you 20% off your first 3 months. Thank you, Cloudways, for that. Appreciate that. Unbelievably good value hosting. And if you want to know about what CRM to use for your newsletters and your email campaigns right within your WordPress dashboard, that's the video for you right there. But until next time, I shall see you later.